Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame that does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was at its low points at the open, and yeah, I get it, the price did pull back a little bit, but still, relatively speaking, from where it was to where it ultimately closed, that was still a good solid move. So that does lead to the question now of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just all some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around this area right here at $2.40. Why is $2.40 important? Well, hopefully we can agree on the logic that price movements with genuine power, with true strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That'd be a total contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about 240. Any sort of breaks below there, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of that range of the chart that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulled back here, behaved in that manner, and then started to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have these lows down there. If you envision each one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do over time. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying progress, again, as $2.40. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, let's talk about some areas where the sellers seem to be hanging out. And that area is going to be right up here at, I believe, yeah, twice at $2.50. So when I say twice, I'm just referring to from a few days ago. You can see that as immediately where the price was rejected from. And then early morning today, once again, right where the price was rejected. So I'm not saying 250 can't be broken or anything. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that the chart is telling us, the price is going to need to bring its A game if it's going to be able to fight up above that level and stay up above it. All in all, though, nice bounce to close out the week. We'll see if the bulls can build upon this momentum or not next week. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.